Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your debt to income ratio with Experian easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your debt to income ratio with Experian, first open your web browser. Next, navigate to the Experian homepage by typing in www.experian.com. Once on the homepage, locate and click on the Credit Report option in the menu. You may be prompted to sign in or create an Experian account. If you need to create an account, follow the on-screen instructions by entering your personal information. After signing in, look for the Credit Report and Score section. Click on View Your Credit Report to access your details. Once your credit report is displayed, find the section labeled Debt. This section lists all your current debts, including credit cards, loans, and other financial obligations. Next, take note of your total monthly debt payments from this section. Now, find your total monthly income, which is usually listed under income or can be calculated separately. To calculate your debt to income ratio, divide your total monthly debt payments by your total monthly income. Multiply the result by 100 to express it as a percentage. This percentage represents your debt to income ratio. A ratio below 36% is generally considered healthy. Review the details on your report to ensure all information is accurate and up to date. If you find any discrepancies, follow the instructions provided by Experian to dispute any errors. Now that you have verified your debt to income ratio, you can use this information to manage your finances more effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.